Hello again. Today we're going to carry on learning that double letters make the same sound, and our sound for today is f. So when you see two f together, they just make one sound, and that's f. And today we'll know we've been successful if we can say the sound, if we can read the sound, and if we can spell words with that sound. Fred has come out. He doesn't have a double f, but he likes this sound very much, and he's come out and he said, let's first of all practice our sound, and when you see f, point to it. Here we go. T, e with a dot on the top. S, d, o, e, sh, v, x, z, n, a, a, p, nk, ng, j, k, l, y, b, w, k, f. Well done. G, h, k, and ch. Excellent. Fred says it's time to say the sound. Here we go. Great. Fred's whispering some words in my ears. I'm going to sound them out and you're going to say them. Off, huff, p, off, puff, f, off, fluff. Well done. Ooh. Fred says it's time to do some Fred's talking. So here we go, let's sound this out. Okay, we've got our double f. Here we go. Off, huff. Oh, hope none of you go in a huff today. Double letter here. Off, fluff. Well done. Okay, so we've said the sound, we've read it. So now it's time to spell some. Let's do huff and puff. Let's start with huff. First of all, let's say huff, huff. Good. Let's see how many sounds it has. Three, but we know it has more than 3 letters because we've got a double f. So the first sound is it's got a nice tall back. Here we go. That's our vowel. And we know it's a double one. So here we go. Huff. So we've got 3 sounds, but 4 letters. 3 ticks there. Let's do puff. Say puff, 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 puff. Great. Let's sound it out. P, f. 3 sounds again. What's the first sound? P. Well done. P, p, It's our vowel again. It's our P, f. 2 letters. There we go. So we've got 3 sounds but 4 letters. Let's read these back and just check that we've done this correctly. Off, huff, p, off, puff. Well done. I wonder if you know a story where somebody huffs and puffs. Have a lot of fun with the double f, and see you again soon. Bye.